Get a feel for the 2016 Buick Cascada. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cascada pampers you with creature comforts and shields you with the latest safety features while giving you the agile, spirited drive your heart desires. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. A luxury convertible that has top safety ratings? Yup, the Cascada.